In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from SHEIN step by step. So in order to order from SHEIN, you need to open any of the web browser. After that, in the top, there's this address bar. Type down shein.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of the SHEIN, what you can do is you can browse to the product. You can also search any of the product over here on the top, or you can find any of the product under this homepage as well. So once you find the product, you need to simply click onto the product here. And after that, over here, you can select the color here beside it. And over here, you can also select for the type 1 or ornaments. And if you want a size guide, you can select to the size guide here. And you can find the size guide or size chart as well. Then you can review your shopping bag. And after that, what you can do is you can simply click onto this add to cart if you like the item. And you can simply view the cart in the top right corner here. And after that, you can simply proceed to checkout beside it. You can add your shipping location. You can type down your first name. And if you have any coupon or code, you can also enter the code here. And after that, you can simply select the save and you need to follow the on-screen instruction and continue a payment method and select your preferred payment option, such as debit or credit card, PayPal, or another payment. And you can place your order and review your order details. And that is it. That is how you can order from SHEIN step by step. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.